Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into dissection. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Scrutiny, which means critical observation or examination. Scrutiny. For example, every aspect of local government was placed under scrutiny. Number 2. Breakdown, which means an explanatory analysis, especially of statistics. Breakdown. For example, a detailed cost breakdown. Number 3. Analysis, which means the process of separating something into its constituent elements. Analysis. For example, analysis of the pottery fragments confirmed their Mediterranean origin. Number 4. Post-mortem, which means an examination of a dead body to determine the cause of death. Post-mortem. For example, the hospital will want to carry out a post-mortem. Number 5. Anatomy, which means a study of the structure or internal workings of something. Anatomy. For example, a detailed anatomy of a society and its institutions. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.